Hey, what's up, Social Cam? I'm sitting here at sound check. Man, sometimes you hit the road and because of scheduling, whatever, your sound guy can't make it. But I will tell you this: as a touring musician, one of the biggest blessings is when you get tour with a sound guy. But this guy is really nice, really cool guy. But this sound is beating him down. Have an amazing sound system.
I'm looking at Gerald one.
It's tearing him up between the feedback and monitors, and man, I should have known I was in for it. When he looked at our rider, and the saxophone player has two different mic setups, one for soprano and one for tenor. And I think the statement he made was when he looked at it, oh man, what was it? He said, I never know. Oh, he said, man, I'm a drummer. Man, when I look at this, I don't know, what SOP mean or something like that. He said, I'm a drummer and sound guy. So I was like, I wish I could find a correct statement, but I was like, dude, you throwing drummers under the bus. I know what a soprano is. So, but in any case, we're in sound check, and I'm ready to get something to eat. It just seems like we're in a war zone, but it's cool. I know I'm just rambling, but they working it out. As I can say, what's up to my man, Wendell Pops.
What's good, what's good, what's good?
Killing it on guitar tonight. We playing with Gerald Beasley tonight. Hey, what was the statement that the sound guy made?
Which one?
About the soprano saxophone.
SOP?
Yeah. He said, I'm an engineer. No, he said, no,
he was a drummer and an engineer. He didn't know he was a drummer and an engineer.
Yeah, he's like, I'm a drummer and engineer, man. I don't know what SOP means. Something like that. I can't remember. But I hope he didn't put window in it. I'm sorry. But we in sound check, y'all. So, you see Gerald over there? Nah, the Social Cam. My man Donald Hayes. Gerald getting it in, getting this sound right. So this is a nice venue, man. We're playing tonight, so it's all good. So I'll holler at y'all later. Sound check, that's what it's all about. That's why it's called a sound check. So you can get the sound right and check the sound. All right. No, we good though. Some great people here, man. Great people, man. So we're gonna be good tonight and have a great time. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.